Hi, this is Tim with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over how the different parts of a moisture meter work in water damage restoration. Water damage can cause serious structural issues and mold growth. A moisture meter helps professionals assess wet areas and monitor drying. Understanding its components ensures accurate restoration. Key components of a moisture meter: the pin sensors. Penetrate materials like drywall or wood to measure electrical resistance, detecting moisture in hidden areas such as walls, floors, and around sinks or toilets. Pinless sensors use electromagnetic waves for non-invasive scanning, ideal for quickly checking walls, ceilings, and floors for dampness. The pad on the back of a moisture meter. The digital display provides real-time moisture readings, helping professionals determine wet areas that need immediate drying and sanitation. Calibration settings adjust readings for different materials like wood, drywall, or concrete, ensuring accurate moisture detection. Data logging tracks moisture levels over time, documenting a drying progress for insurance claims and verifying full restoration. For using a moisture meter in water damage restoration, it is used for the initial assessment to identify wet and damp areas, focusing on bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. It is then used to monitor drying, regular moisture readings over in fans and dehumidifiers to make sure the drying is working effectively, and then final verification to make sure that the dry standard is met in all water damaged areas. To conclude, a moisture meter is essential for water damage restoration, ensuring all wet areas are properly dried and sanitized. At PDQ, we provide expert fire and water damage restoration across North Jersey. Please give us a call today.